beautiful tutorial for you guys. On today's tutorial we are going to be doing a different thing altogether. I'm going to be showing you guys one particular okay, let me say interesting stuff. I know you're gonna love it. That is the reason why I want to share this with you guys. In case anybody is interested, you can contact me for that. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Click on that subscribe button so that we become friends and family. So guys, remember, you can support me in your own little way. You can share my video with your family and friends. You can like any of my video that you have watched or you are about to watch. Just click that like and share it, and also drop a comment for me. If there is any requested video that you want me to do for you, kindly drop a comment on the comment section of this video below, and I'm going to do justice to that. So guys, let's go ahead with what I'm about to show you guys. So guys, I have this oil that I produced. This oil, I can't really say, this oil is so fantastic. You need to try this oil. If you have not tried this oil, you need to try it. You need to test it, because they say a trial will convince you. It's just pure natural oil from herbs. It's an extract from herbs. If there is any skin issues that you have been battling for a very long time, you have sourced for a solution and you couldn't get any, this oil is going to do justice to that. So guys, I am introducing to you Black and Shine Magic Oil. This oil is for your body, is for your whole body. If you are suffering from any skin alignment and you need it to clear off your skin, this is the right oil to use. I didn't label it because I want you guys to see what the oil look like. This oil, like I told you guys, has the capability to heal every skin alignment. So guys, number one thing that this oil can take care of is sunburn. If you are suffering from sunburn for a very long time, you have tried all treatments and none worked for you, this is the best oil to use to take care of your sunburn, just by applying it on the affected area. Like, you can use this oil all over your skin as your body cream. It glows your skin as well. If you are suffering from this, like nothing that you do that your skin will shine, this oil can help glow your skin. Another thing that this oil takes care of is stretch mark. Anywhere that you have stretch mark on your skin, this oil is going to clear it. If you are suffering from knuckles on your hands, on your leg, anywhere that you have knuckles that you want to remove them, this is the right oil to use. Just apply it on the affected area. Use it as your hand cream, and in no time those knuckles, they will disappear and you won't see them again. White spots, if you have white spots on your leg, your hands, maybe due to cream that you have been using, if you have blemishes, your skin is not rhyming, like you have patches all over your body, this is the right oil to use. And you want your body to glow as well, this is the right oil to use. You can use it as a body cream. It will not darken you, but it's not a bleaching oil. Another thing you can cure with this oil is wrinkles. If you have wrinkles, just this oil is the right oil to use. What is it that you are suffering for? Is it dark armpits, dark in between your labs? Is it eczema? Is it pimples? Name them that you have on your skin that you have been craving to look for a solution for. This oil is going to take care of it. So guys, a lot and many more that this oil can cure. So it's very, 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 very good for your skin. You need to try it. So guys, I'm going to be dropping a link. I'm going to be dropping my contacts on the description box of this video. If you need this oil, do not hesitate to ring me, or chat me up or drop a comment and I will get back to you. I'm not just here to exaggerate. I'm not just here, to boast about something I know that is not working. This oil is tested and trusted. You need to try this oil because a trial, they say, will convince you. So try this oil and get back to me. Tell me what you think about this oil. Be it knuckles, you can see my hands, I don't have knuckles. Then we'll have black soap. Sorry guys, I couldn't show you the black soap. We have black soap for sale. The normal black soap, African black soap that you know, well prepared for your skin. Your kids can use it, anybody in your household. It's very, very nice. It's not a bleaching soap. It's for family use and body cream as well. Any of our product that you desire to purchase, do not hesitate to drop a comment or chat me up with the contacts I'm going to be dropping on the comments section. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you are supporting this channel to grow. So guys, let me stop talking too much. A trial of this oil will convince you. Hala Black and Shine herbal skincare for all your skin needs. Most especially this oil. This oil, you don't need to miss it. You don't miss this oil. I'm talking to you. Don't miss this oil, because if you miss this oil, you are going to regret it. I'm waiting for your call. I'm waiting for your call. Your call. And again, I want you guys to tell me how I look today. Please drop a comment. I know I'm looking beautiful. I'm looking beautiful and I'm just blushing. So guys, tell me how I look, what you think about this look today. Like I told you guys, I just finished filming. Tell me what you think about this look. I'll be happy to hear from you. See you on my next tutorial. Bye. Remember to subscribe, okay? Thank you. Bye.